Hi, I'm Sarah with Simple Shine, and this is our Ultrasonic cleaning kit. It comes with a cleaner, removable basket, watch or bracelet holder, ring holder, and our best-selling gentle concentrated cleaning solution. To use, pour water into stainless steel tank. For an extra deep clean, use included concentrate, or you can simply use water alone. Place items to be cleaned in basket and immerse basket in water. Close the lid. Choose from the different time cycles based on your cleaning needs. This machine safely cleans all fine metals, diamonds, glass, and plastic. It also works great to clean watches, glasses, dentures, and razor heads. We do not recommend using it on soft stones or costume jewelry. Thank you so much for your interest in our Simple Shine Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaning Kit. Bye!